In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tote bag in Trader Joe's. We'll walk through the Trader Joe's website together so you can quickly locate their reusable totes and open the product page for the details you need. Start by heading to the Trader Joe's website in your browser. When the homepage loads, give yourself a second to get oriented. You should see the main content in the center and navigation options around it. Focus your attention on the left-hand side of the page. There's a side panel there that acts like your roadmap through the site. In that left-hand panel, look for the option labeled products and click it. This takes you to the main product area where items are grouped into helpful categories. Across the top of this page, you'll see a menu that lets you jump between different types of products. Find the option that says everything else and click it. This is the section that gathers non-grocery items, things like household goods, seasonal accessories, and most importantly for us, the reusable bags. Once you're in everything else, browse through the listings at a comfortable pace. You'll see product tiles with images and names, and this grid may include various bag styles. Keep your eyes open for tote bags. They often stand out with a canvas look or a name that clearly includes the word tote. If the page is long, scroll to reveal more items. Take your time and scan the thumbnails so you don't miss a style you might prefer. Continue browsing until you spot a tote bag that you like. Visual cues help here: color, design, and the general size conveyed by the image. If multiple totes catch your eye, make a mental note of them as you scroll. The goal is simply to find the one that best matches what you're looking for. When you've found the tote that interests you, click on it to open the product detail page. Here you'll typically see a larger photo, a description, and useful information such as materials, dimensions, and any special features. This page is great for confirming that the bag fits your needs, whether you prefer sturdy canvas, a specific color, or a design that suits your style. Pricing and availability notes are often included as well, and keep in mind that exact availability can vary by location and over time. And that's it! You've navigated from the home page to products into everything else, browse the selection, and open the tote bags detail page for a closer look. Thanks for watching and enjoy finding the perfect Trader Joe's tote.